Good morning, folks. I thought I'd give you my little laundry tip here. Weather permitting, I always hang my clothes outside. I just love the way my clothes smell. The sheets and towels, when they've been dried outside in the fresh outdoors, they just smell so good. Now my clothing, what I do is I hang them on hangers. I don't use a traditional clothesline. I use this dog chain. It's just run-of-the-mill dog chain. And see, the hanger just fits right in there. And so now when my clothes are dry, all I got to do is just carry them in the house. And it also leaves room in between. Today I happen to be washing my doilies, and it leaves room in between to hang the shorter items. So it saves space, makes your clothes smell good, and I don't have to use my dryer. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye.